The guide leads viewers into a gentle breathing sequence, inviting them to inhale for 4 counts and exhale for 6. In the background, ocean waves murmur and a soft wind rustles through pines as the body settles. Visualization expands a tranquil shoreline into a sunlit forest, each breath guiding awareness toward releasing lingering tension. A distant rain chorus joins, turning attention to soundscapes that deepen relaxation and invite quiet mindfulness. The practice closes with a lingering stillness, leaving the mind refreshed and prepared to carry calm throughout the day.